Yes, there we go. So 5 quick tips to burn out your engineers. Why would you do that? Well, because you want to be seen as a strong technical leader. You want to be the most senior person of senior persons. And you just want to have as many engineers in your organization as possible, right? So tip number 1, it all starts at hiring, right? So make a job description, cram in 3 different roles, and make the interview process lengthy. Like 3 months for an interview, great. Do some code testing as well. That doesn't matter. When they join, you hired a self-starter. Let them self-start. Don't give them documentation. Don't give them the best practices, and they will be able to find the right people and connect with them and learn everything. And when they learn everything and they're working, you have to collect some metrics. Collect all the metrics that you can possibly think of and put them all in a dashboard. Don't tell anybody why you're measuring things and what is the consequences. And at the performance review, 2 times a year, you say, look at this metric, why are you not productive? And you keep them in the dark, right? You just pick 2 random metrics and you start blabbing about that. That will certainly set them up for success. Talking about success, if your engineers are on a way to build their career, don't tell them how to do that. Just make it as unclear as you possibly can. Just promote random people, and the people that are successful, don't promote them. Oh, you know best. You've done this for countless of years. You built the systems. So if you have developers with all the cloud native stuff, that's great. You submit a ticket if you want a namespace on your Kubernetes environment, right? So submit the ticket, please, for everything, because we can do all that DevSec, AI, ML, platform engineering ops stuff. Great. But put in the ticket, please. And if we want to be more productive, we buy the tools. We buy the tools for everything. And we want to also practice something we call shift left. And we shift all the things left, all the tools, until there's shit left. Oh, wait. Hey, there's that guy. Oh, that's the product owner. He's actually deciding what you need to build. So you worry about how you build it, but he will just say how to solve your problems that you have. And you collaborate on that, right? No, of course not. You don't do that because you don't need that. You build microservices, you build an API, and your colleagues can talk to the API. Why do they need to bother about internals? Knowledge sharing, you can do that in your own time. There's this great YouTube course, right? And there's Udemy, and there's all kinds of things that you can do online. So please, go there for your learning. So let's get a little bit more toxic. Yeah, this is horrible, right? But we are a very happy company and we have a good, positive culture. So please don't complain. Keep your toxic stuff out there in the woods, but don't bring it to work. We only want positive things, right? So if somebody's complaining, please don't promote them. Just leave them like engineering stuff somewhere. And when you have your day off, of course, you are always there. You have that great GitHub app. Please use it. If there's a PR, review it. You're on vacation, but you have the app. You're in the line. Great. So what should we do? Well, maybe we should hire for a diverse team. Maybe we should have a good a process that is very welcoming and that everybody can understand and onboard them properly. We measure what matters. And that's, well, coincidentally also the title of a very great book. Be conscious of what you're measuring. Measure for happiness. Measure for productivity. Don't measure lines of codes. Add value. When you have this team and you offer a platform, or if you are a team and you offer an API, please look at the value that you add. Don't do work that does not add value. And collaborate. Collaborate with each other. Have hackathons together. Have fun together. Share knowledge. Do these internal knowledge sharing sessions and team up with your other colleagues. Try to do that inner sourcing thing. If you want some more practical advice on how to do proper engineering, well, there's some guidance for you on the platform engineering guide, and that contains tips of Microsoft's own platform engineering journey. Thank you so much.